Have you ever wondered what truly makes a good person? What if there was a profound, time-tested framework that not only defines virtue, but also provides a practical roadmap for personal growth and inner peace? Today, we're diving deep into something truly transformative: the science of Islamic ethics, known as Akhlaq. This isn't just about rules, it's about understanding the very essence of character, morality, and how to cultivate a life of profound purpose. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical insights to start living a more virtuous and fulfilling life right now. So what exactly is Akhlaq? In Arabic, Akhlaq refers to character, morals, and manners, but it's far more than just good behavior. It's a comprehensive science within Islamic tradition that explores the inner state of the human being, focusing on developing praiseworthy qualities and eradicating blameworthy ones. Think of it as a spiritual and psychological blueprint for human excellence. It's about understanding our innate potential for good and actively working to realize it. The foundations of Akhlaq are deeply rooted in the Quran, the holy book of Islam, and the Sunnah, the teachings and practices of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These divine sources provide the ethical principles and moral guidelines that form the bedrock of Islamic character. But it's not just about abstract concepts. Islamic scholars throughout history, like Imam Ghazali and Ibn Miskawayh, meticulously studied human psychology and behavior, developing sophisticated frameworks for character development. They understood that true virtue isn't accidental. It's cultivated through conscious effort and self-reflection. Let's explore some of the core virtues emphasized in Akhlaq. These aren't just ideals, they are practical qualities that shape our interactions and our inner world. Truthfulness, sidku. More than just not lying, it's about integrity in speech, action, and intention. It builds trust and fosters genuine relationships. Justice, adil. This extends beyond legal fairness to treating everyone, including ourselves, with equity and balance. It's about giving every right its due. Compassion, rahma. A cornerstone of Islamic ethics. It's about empathy, kindness, and mercy towards all creation. It drives us to alleviate suffering and promote well-being. Patience, sabr. Not passive waiting, but active perseverance in the face of adversity, self-restraint in times of temptation, and steadfastness in obedience. Humility, tawadu. Recognizing our place in the grand scheme of things, avoiding arrogance, and treating others with respect regardless of their status. Generosity, jaud saka. Giving freely of one's time, wealth, and knowledge, not for recognition, but for the sake of good. How do we actually cultivate these virtues? This is where the science aspect truly shines. Islamic ethics provides a systematic approach to self-purification, known as Tazkiyah. It's a journey of identifying our moral weaknesses and actively working to transform them into strengths. This involves self-awareness, muhasabah, regularly reflecting on our thoughts, words, and actions. What are our intentions? What are our habits? Where do we fall short? Accountability, muraqabah. Being mindful that we are always accountable for our choices, both to ourselves and to a higher power. This fosters a sense of responsibility. Striving, mujahada. Actively struggling against negative impulses and habits. This might mean consciously choosing patience over anger or generosity over stinginess. It's a continuous effort. Seeking knowledge, ilm. Understanding what is right and wrong, and learning from the examples of virtuous individuals. Knowledge empowers us to make better choices. So, how can you start applying these principles in your daily life? Here are some practical tips. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire character overnight. Pick one virtue you want to focus on this week. Maybe truthfulness in all your conversations, or practicing patience in traffic. Daily reflection. Before bed, take 5-10 minutes to review your day. Where did you excel in your character? Where could you have done better? This isn't about self-condemnation, but self-improvement. Seek good company. Surround yourself with people who embody the virtues you aspire to. Their positive influence can be incredibly powerful. Read inspiring biographies. Learn from the lives of prophets, saints, and righteous individuals. Their stories offer guidance and motivation. Practice gratitude. Regularly acknowledging blessings fosters contentment and reduces negative emotions like envy. Mindful speech. Before you speak, ask yourself, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? This simple filter can transform your communication. Acts of service. Actively look for opportunities to help others, even in small ways. Compassion and generosity grow through practice. The beauty of Akhlaq is that its benefits extend far beyond the individual. When individuals cultivate strong moral character, it naturally leads to a more harmonious and just society. For the individual, it brings inner peace, contentment, stronger relationships, resilience in the face of challenges, and a profound sense of purpose. It's about aligning your inner self with your outward actions. For society, it fosters trust, reduces conflict, promotes cooperation, strengthens community bonds, and creates an environment where everyone can thrive. Imagine a world where truthfulness, justice, and compassion are the norm. That's the vision Akhlaq strives for. Of course, the path of character development isn't always easy. We all stumble, we all have moments where our lower selves might take over. But the science of Akhlaq teaches us that it's a lifelong journey, not a destination. The key is consistency, self-compassion, and a sincere desire for growth. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to building a stronger, more virtuous you. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. See them as opportunities to learn and recommit. The science of Islamic ethics, Akhlaq, offers a profound and practical path to personal excellence and societal well-being. It's a timeless wisdom that empowers us to become the best versions of ourselves. I encourage you to pick one virtue from today's discussion and consciously practice it this week. See the difference it makes in your life. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to the Hikma Hub for more deep dives into Islamic knowledge and wisdom. What virtue are you going to focus on first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for excellence. May your search for knowledge be blessed. May the peace of Allah be on all of you.